Gheware is a personal health monitoring platform that helps users with diabetes and chronic conditions manage their health in one unified dashboard. Our application integrates securely with Google Fit to provide comprehensive sleep tracking alongside continuous glucose monitoring, activity data from Strava, and nutrition logs. Here, users authorize Google Fit access through OAuth to sync their sleep data automatically. We request read-only access to sleep sessions, which includes sleep duration, deep sleep phases, and wake-up times. This data is then analyzed using Claude AI to generate personalized insights that help users understand how sleep quality affects their glucose control. By correlating Google Fit sleep data with continuous glucose monitoring, our users discover meaningful connections between sleep quality and blood sugar stability. The app highlights poor sleep nights alongside glucose spikes, enabling users to identify triggers and optimize their sleep hygiene for better diabetes management. User privacy and data control are our top priorities. All Google Fit data is encrypted in transit using HTTPS and at rest in Google Cloud Firestore. Users maintain complete control with options to disconnect Google Fit access, delete all sleep data, and manage their privacy settings at any time. No data is shared with third parties. Visit health.gheware.com to experience secure, comprehensive health monitoring.